Are you tired of straining your eyes to watch videos on your laptop? Do you want to enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows on a larger screen with high-quality audio and video? If so, you're in the right place. On my previous screen mirroring video, many of you left comments expressing frustration with website accessibility, poor audio, and video quality. In response to your comments, I'm back with a new tutorial that addresses all your concerns. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cast your laptop or desktop screen to your TV without any hassle, using simple new method and software that deliver top-notch audio and video quality. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech tutorial that can help you save time and increase your productivity. So let's get started. First, make sure your Android TV is not connected to Wi-Fi. This is important because it can cause interference during screen mirroring. If your device is currently connected to Wi-Fi, you will need to disconnect from the network by going to Settings, Network and Internet, and selecting Forget this network from the network properties. Next, ensure that your laptop or desktop is connected to Wi-Fi. This will allow you to mirror your screen onto your Android TV. On your Android TV, open the Miracast application, which is used for screen mirroring. The application will search for nearby wireless devices to cast. Now, go back to your laptop or desktop and open the Notification Center. Click on the Connect option to start searching for available wireless display devices. Wait a few seconds until your device name appears, then click on it to start connecting. Once connected, you should see your desktop screen mirrored onto your Android TV. You can now cast or mirror anything from your laptop or desktop screen onto your Android TV. This includes browsing websites, using software, playing games, and watching movies. The audio should also work seamlessly. Here is a sample clip that will give you an idea. To control how your display is shown, a sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen with 4 options. 1. PC screen only. This option will display your desktop only on your computer screen and not on the external display. 2. Duplicate. This option will display the same image on both your computer screen and the external display. 3. Extend. This option will extend your desktop across both your computer screen and the external display, creating one large desktop. 4. Second screen only. This option will display your desktop only on the external display and not on your computer screen. Choose the option that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to give a presentation and use your external display as a projector, you might choose the duplicate or second screen only option. If you want to work with multiple windows and use the external display as an extension of your desktop, you might choose the extend option. To disconnect your device, simply click on the disconnect option. To connect again, just repeat the same process. That's it for today's tutorial on how to cast your laptop or desktop screen to your TV. I hope you found this video helpful in resolving any issues with screen mirroring. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about future tech tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.